It's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book finds, in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.